So last time we have studied the jaundice, yeah? And jaundice. What was jaundice? Jaundice means increase bilirubin. Yes, increase bilirubin in the blood.
Yes.
That was called jaundice. Or we can also call hyperbilirubinemia. We can also call hyperbilirubinemia. And the last time we studied the normal, physiology, how the jaundice work, yeah, how the jaundice develop. And last time we studied the physiological structures. In the physiology, we said that this is bone marrow. You remember?
Yes.
We said that this is bone marrow house.
Yes, bone marrow house.
Bone marrow
House.
bone marrow house. Then all the body, different kind of bones in our body, yeah, they produce red blood cell.
Yeah.
Their bone marrow produce red blood cell. So initially this was, we said that this is red blood cell.
Yes.
And this red blood cell produced from the bone marrow, and then it comes to blood.
Blood. Yeah.
Blood, right? Blood. Then we said that it lives in the blood for how many days?
120 days.
20 days. 120 days. Then we said that inside the red blood cell there is structure called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, right?
Yes.
The red blood cells are full of hemoglobin. And then we said that the hemoglobin is like a flower. Hemoglobin molecule is like a flower. Yeah. This part of the flower is called heme. And this part of the flower is called
Globin.
globin. Right? And in the center of the heme there is iron.
Yeah.
In the center of the heme is
Iron.
iron. So this heme and globin, they make what?
Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin. And the hemoglobin is full of, red blood cell is full of hemoglobin. So red blood cell, what is the function of the red blood cell?
Carry the oxygen.
Carry the oxygen from the lungs to the different parts of the body.
Yes.
Right? From the lungs to the different parts of the body. So let's suppose we take one red blood cell. This one red blood cell live in the blood how many days? 120 days. So after 120 days, it goes to where?
Spleen.
Spleen. This is which structure? Spleen, right? Spleen. Then in the spleen, what really happens? That this red blood cell broken down into two parts, right?
Yes.
One is
Globin.
globin, and another is
Heme.
heme. This globin go back to bone marrow. This globin go back to bone marrow to produce more red blood cell, right? And then this heme is broken down into two parts. One is iron, and another is bilirubin. Another is bilirubin. Yes. This iron go back to bone marrow. This iron go back to bone marrow. While this bilirubin is called indirect bilirubin. IBIL, right?
Yes.
IBIL. Or we can also call unconjugated. We can also call it unconjugated bilirubin or IBIL. This unconjugated bilirubin or IBL go back to where? To the blood, and through the blood into the liver. Through the blood into the liver. This is liver. Through the blood into the liver. Then it enter into the liver cells. Enter into the liver cells. In the liver cell there is an enzyme. There is an enzyme. Yeah. And the name of this enzyme is glucuronyl
acid.
Yeah. Glucuronyl transferase. Transferase. Glucuronyl transferase. 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 Okay. Okay, what is the function of this glucuronyl transferase? It takes IBIL and glucuronic acid. Right? Glucuronic acid. So this enzyme take IBIL and glucuronic acid and mix them to make DBIL. DBIL is also called direct bilirubin. Right? Okay. For example, I am an enzyme, right? I'm this enzyme, right? In one hand, I have what? IBIL. And in another hand, I have what?
Glucuronic acid.
Glucuronic
acid.
acid, right?
Yes.
So I have IBIL and I have glucuronic acid, and I mix them. So I make what?
DBIL.
DBIL, direct bilirubin, or we can also call it conjugated bilirubin. Then this conjugated bilirubin go into the canaliculi, right?
Yeah.
Go into the canaliculi, then into the hepatic duct, right?
Yes.
Then into the
Gallbladder.
Gallbladder.
then through cystic duct, right? Then cystic duct and hepatic duct, they meet together and they make common bile duct. Then common bile duct go into the pancreas,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And it meet with the pancreas duct.
Yes.
So the pancreas duct and common bile duct, they make common hepatopancreatic duct. Common hepatopancreatic duct. So this DBIL come through this way and it go to the common hepatic duct and common hepatopancreatic duct into the duodenum.
Yeah.
Into the duodenum. Then through the duodenum, jejunum and ileum and go into the large intestine, right? And
Yes.
go out.
Yes.
So some of the DBIL go back to the blood,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And go to the kidney
Yeah.
and go out through the kidney,
Kidney.
right?
Yes.
So it has the two pathway out. One is through the feces, fecal matter, through large intestine, right? And another is to the urine,
Yeah.
right? Through the kidney. Yes, in this way, this direct bilirubin go out of the body. So this was the normal physiology of how the red blood cell produce, how they work, how long they work, how they are broken down into the spleen, right? And how they are metabolized going to the liver, and then they are excreted out through the body through the GIT, right? So these are all the normal metabolism of the red blood cell and their function. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.